Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. We'll be going through the Guardian house today. I'm waiting for delivery of the roof. We have ordered the rafters, the banners, and also a protected film. That's what we're waiting for. I have already contacted someone locally just outside the village where we are. So he'll be doing the majority of the work and I'll be helping out on the side. Plus doing some filming, of course. And I'll see you in a while. Getting a delivery of building material for the Guardian house. We're going to be fixing the roof. Okay, all the items being delivered today is the wood to start to take away the old roof tiles and lay the new roof. We'll try to probably see how many roof tiles we can keep. We're not sure if we're going to change them to Burgundy style or use these ones or slate. That we'll discuss later on. You can see the truck is lifting on the left side. As how heavy that is. It was going to rain for 2 weeks. They said it was going to rain, no rain came. And now we're taking off the roof and you see the big interesting project. Anything you remove, you'll find something new underneath. This is the first time I have seen rafters and we noticed they're not 4 meters long, but 2 meters each and joined at the mid-purlin. The roof specialist has given us two options. Either attach a 27 by 200 millimeter batten to the side of the current rafter or put in brand new rafters. I'm going to discuss the bad news with Lic and see what we'll do. Discussing the different weights of the old beams. This one is heavy, and this one is nothing. It looks like they took some branch or something from the forest or something. Yeah.
So it's the right decision to change it. And why we decided to change? Because I'm so worried that it's going to be like this. Because the old house, we don't know.
No.
So I make decision to change the whole thing.
Yeah.
And we got a quotation for the wood. You wouldn't believe it. It starts from 27. When at the end we pay 11 something per piece.
Yeah.
And it's exactly the same type. And this is a special size because this size is for the old house.
We have this, but it's rare.
Okay.
Normally it's the one
Yeah, tall.
on this one side here. It's
Normally like this.
75 by 63. Normally this is the standard on houses today. This side here. So
But
it's very rare. It's difficult to get
this size. Yeah. So we very lucky to have in stock.
Yeah.
But in the same time, not many people will decide to use it because they're more expensive.
They're more expensive, yes.
Yeah. So I think that's why they left in stock also.
This we paid €8 for. That we paid with VAT around €13.
Yeah. It's very good.
Yeah.
But we also got offered for 27.
Yeah, we started off with 27 today, or 36.
€36?
Yeah, enough to be
Oh
19 when they spoke to the supplier, and then, he works with companies who do with the roofs, and then he got the contact again. He called another whose supplier is Yerimat, and it ended up to be 11.16 plus the VAT of 20%.
So we're very lucky in that way.
Yeah. I called who we have supplied this wood from. He gave me a price of €40.29 instead of 11, and then I explained to him that we picked up today in Basel, and he okay, I will give you the same. Gonna check on the level. The guy there at the far end, he works for a company specializing in roofs. Faut mettre deux pour trouver la bonne niveau.
Ouais, ça, il y en a des qui touchent.
Oui.
Oh là là, putain, c'est le putain de bout de bois, regarde, c'est 322.
Ah oui.
Tout reste, c'est vrai beau. Ouais, je suis vrai.
Oui.
Hop. Vas-y, Rossignol. On va t'es où?
Rossignol, c'est le...
Damien Gors.
Here we're putting in the new rafters, and we need to make sure that they are level at the ridge and wall plate, as well as the distance is even between them. The difficulty we're having is that each rafter at the connection point or the wall plate is different, and each needs to be adjusted so that they are level and in line. We're using a chainsaw to help to cut out an area on the wall plate, and in some cases it's a difference of 30 millimeters. We're using the forklift truck you see on the left side to help lift up the rafters that each weigh about 20 kilos, and the roof is 6 meters up, so it's a lot of lifting, and you can see there's not much walking area on the roof. There's a lot of, you can see through the hole there. That is actually the first floor, part of the first floor.
Là, il touche plus.
They're checking the level. You can see up there. They
Beaucoup?
put the beam
Beaucoup?
on that side and one more over there, and the string in between.
Pour faire un petit coup là?
So they will get the good level. Oh no, I'm looking, but it's good. That's to trim the main beam that runs across, because to get the good level.
Attends, on fait une connerie là. Ah non, non, toi t'es bien.
Je suis bon. On peut le monter ton truc là-haut. Mais là, ça s'en fout, c'est toujours la ligne droite.
Non, mais il faut qu'on laisse les lattes comme ça en fait. Parce que le dégauchis il est bien comme ça. Attends, je vais vérifier. Attends, je vais vérifier quelque chose.
Il y a encore un petit peu.
Attends. Non, mais attends, je vais vérifier quelque chose. Il y a un truc qui me sort du film.
Oh yeah, I am. Et Joel, ici on besoin de mettre ciment.
Ouais, mais après, une fois que tu as mis les gravelots dedans, tu mets une planche et puis tu le coffres. Tu remets les pierres.
On reste comme ça, ok, ça marche.
C'est monté.
Ça?
Ouais, parce que ça, c'est des cailloux que il n'y a plus rien qui tient.
Non. Et faire ici quoi?
Eh ben, avec du ciment.
Ouais.
Tu remets du ciment dessus, tu rebouches tout.
On besoin encore de ciment.
Ouais, bah attends.
Parce que je n'aime pas conduire tous les jours. Oh, acheter ça.
Bah, tu vas. Tu gagnes.
Hein
Je vais attaquer pas les guêpes.
Parce que là-bas on a laissé le bout de mètre. Il a fallu qu'on le mette plus haut. Les chevrons.
Non, mais on l'a monté plus haut.
There's Lic there.
C'est bon de le poser sur le chevron directement.
Ça?
Bah oui. Il est trop arrondi,
Oui.
il ne peut pas taper.
Ah, va.
C'est ça qu'il m'a donné le marteau. C'est bon.
On va voir là-bas ta ficelle, normalement elle doit être pas mal. Tu vois, à chaque fois, pourquoi tu passes pas du coup avec le bout de lac? Bon, même si un petit peu, hein, c'est pas...
Ouais, mais là, maintenant, la ficelle, elle touche plus.
Elle touche plus quoi.
Il faudrait mettre...
You can see the string?
Parce qu'il y a ça.
Lic? You can see the string?
Eh ben, non, c'est bon.
Is it look level?
Regarde, là t'as une nappe, donc forcément t'es plus haut. Et au moins on sera sûr d'être précis.
They use the string for one side, but they have to get this one,
Machin.
and then you get the level.
De là à là.
Oh. Période variable.
Après,
Après il y a plein de modèles, il y a des modèles comme là-bas, tout ça, il y a plein
Ok, d'accord, oui.
Ouais, coule-le parce que moi il faudra peut-être utiliser ça quand je vais...
Ah, deux coups à côté.
Yeah.
T'as montré la vidéo, lui?
Mais j'ai peur de passer à travers.
Yeah, by the chimney.
Montagne, chloup.
Eh ben envoie-moi une salle alors.
Profite ça.
Ok. Ouais.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next installment. It's now evening, just coming to 6:15. The dogs are waiting for their dinner. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to. And always click the notification or the bell icon and you'll be notified of any new uploads that we do. Yep, that's about it. There we have the pond in the background. It's a nice evening today. And yeah, we need to cut the grass again. We need to do that, yeah, perfectly twice a week, but no time for that. And here we have Mari. Hey Mari. Mari.